My name is Rebecca Presley, and I am going to be doing a presentation on an ethical dilemma. My ethical dilemma is that if a doctor meets with a patient who confides in them that he committed a serious crime, say murder, and someone else was blamed for it and was sent to prison, should the doctor break patient-doctor confidentiality and report the patient, or not? This is an important ethical dilemma to discuss because it warrants the question of why one life would be worth more than another and what is more important, upholding the rules or justly being convicted. There are many ways to approach this dilemma, but two ways that stand out as the most practical are the utilitarian approach and the fairness approach. The utilitarian approach strives to both increase the good done and reduce the harm done, while the fairness approach is centered around the ideal that all people should be treated equally. When applied to this scenario, the best course of action using the utilitarian approach would be for the doctor to keep patient-doctor confidentiality and not report his patient. This would be the outcome because it does the least harm. By not breaking confidentiality, the doctor is not risking his job or breaking the rules. It would be in the doctor and his patient's best interest to not say anything. On the other hand is the fairness approach. This one is pretty self-explanatory. It is not fair for an innocent man to be serving time while the guilty one walks free. So in this approach, the right thing to do would be for the doctor to risk his job and report his patient. If all equals should be treated equally, then it should not matter that the guilty person was the doctor's patient. He is still guilty and should be in jail for the crime he committed. And the innocent man in jail should not be being punished, since he did nothing wrong. All in all, the utilitarian approach seems the most realistic for this situation because it is the one that does the least amount of harm, especially when you take into account that it is not the doctor's job to decide who is innocent, who is guilty, and to put those people away. That is the job of police and the courts. The doctor's job is to give his patient the care he needs and to advise him to come forward, if for no other reason than the effect it is having on his health. Thank you.